As one thinks about the possibility of declining prices and incomes for farmers, the key issue that input suppliers are thinking about is what's going to happen to fertilizer, seed, and chemical prices. Are they going to have to be more, are they going to see farmers be more aggressive in negotiation on and or utilization of their inputs in agriculture? And our expectation is, as is typically the case, that's true. When the size of the pie shrinks, sometimes we need to reallocate who gets the slices of the pie. Obviously, farm incomes will go down faster than we see input prices go down. So we see some margin compression here as we move forward over the next 2 to 3 years. But we, at the same time, do anticipate that there will be some pressure on input suppliers. Fertilizer prices are probably going to have a fair amount of pressure, and they may be some of the first prices to adjust. We don't expect quite as rapid adjustment in terms of seed. Seed prices typically are much more lethargic to downward pressures. Cash rents are also typically pretty lethargic to downward pressures. Takes a 2 to 3 year period of time before those cash rents decline. What farmers typically do when they're under financial stress is to first reduce capital expenditures, and so we do expect to see declines in the amount of money that farmers will spend on machinery and equipment, land facilities, storage facilities, etc. And then what they start doing is trying to pull down land rents and other input costs, but those costs are pretty lethargic in terms of their downward adjustment. So some reduction in input costs, but we aren't going to see that happen very rapidly, and so we do anticipate that we're going to see a period of time of tighter margins as we get lower prices for agricultural products.